Hello viewer, it's a design. Here we are going to generate the shapes, explore the more and more options. Let's have a structure there. So there we are going to make the changes. So we will use a design, add a new structure here. We are going to create another one. Let's apply the changes and keep editing there. Add a paint file. Use the eraser tool again to erase the bigger shape. One hide the shapes under it.